Ciao amici and welcome back to Verbi Italiani Facile 10 alla volta. Today we're diving into 10 Italian verbs perfect for Christmas. Get ready to boost your Italian with some holiday spirit. First up, we have decorare, which means to decorate. A Christmas essential, right? For example, abbiamo passato il pomeriggio a decorare l'albero di Natale con luci e palline colorate, which would mean we spent the afternoon decorating the Christmas tree with lights and colorful ornaments. Decorare is all about making everything festive. Next, we have impacchettare, which means to wrap. Christmas wouldn't be complete without wrapping gifts. Here's an example. Mi piace impacchettare i regali con carta rossa e nastri dorati. This means I love wrapping gifts with red paper and golden ribbons. It's all about the festive touch. Now we have addobbare. Italians love to addobbare their homes for Christmas. For instance, abbiamo addobbato la casa con ghirlande e fiocchi di neve finti. We adorn the house with garlands and fake snowflakes. Addobbare brings some extra magic to any space. Festeggiare means to celebrate. Christmas is all about coming together and celebrating. For instance, ogni anno festeggiamo il Natale insieme a tutta la famiglia. That means every year we celebrate Christmas with the whole family. Then we have scambiare, which means to exchange. Especially useful when talking about gifts. Here's an example. La vigilia di Natale ci scambiamo i regali sotto l'albero. And the translation goes, on Christmas Eve, we exchange gifts under the tree. Scambiare, it's all about the joy of giving and receiving. Let's continue. Now we have cantare, which means to sing. Nothing says Christmas like singing carols. For example, i bambini hanno cantato canzoni di Natale durante la recita scolastica. This would translate to, the children sang Christmas songs during the school play. Perfect for holiday spirit. Then we have accendere, which means to light up. Think about lighting up the Christmas tree. And here's an example. Abbiamo acceso le luci dell'albero e la casa si è illuminata di colori. We turn on the three lights and the house lit up with colors. Perfect for adding a little magic. Infornare means to bake. Christmas is a time for delicious treats. For example, mia nonna inforna sempre dei biscotti speziati per Natale. This means my grandma always bakes spiced cookies for Christmas. Who doesn't love the smell of fresh cookies? Next up, we have brindare, which means to toast. Perfect for raising a glass at the holiday table. For example, abbiamo brindato alla fine dell'anno con spumante e allegria. We toasted to the end of the year with sparkling wine and cheer. And finally, we have organizzare, which means to organize. Christmas requires a lot of planning, right? For example, sto organizzando una cena di Natale con amici e parenti. And this translates to, I'm organizing a Christmas dinner with friends and family. Use organizzare whenever you're planning holiday gatherings, for example. And that's it for part 1 of our Christmas verbs. Make sure to subscribe for part 2 and check out the rest of the videos. Buon Natale e buone feste! Ciao!